So back in July of '47 in Roswell, New Mexico, where that UFO crashed, the bodies were retrieved and a lot of debris was scattered around. Several witnesses came about and picked up some of the debris. One of them was Jesse Marcel, whose son was able to handle one of those I-beams that we see in the footage. Yet, after seeing the footage, he mentioned that the one he handled is much, much smaller than the one being depicted in the footage. However, if you look to the back of the room, you're going to see certain other I-beams that they're much, much smaller than the one writing the Greek name Eleftheria. We can also notice that there are some prints for 6 fingers on those panels. Now, going back to an experiment that we did back in '95 or '96, we're trying to connect the electrical activity of the skin as it connects to the brain. In other words, we would read certain sentences and phrases to our subjects, and then we'd record the geographical electrical activity of the skin, and we're able to see certain patterns. If one wants to control a UFO as quickly as its thoughts, then it would have to be in some way connected to its nervous systems. Now, that is a very non-invasive way with a lot of nerve endings in the hands. It pretty much justifies what we see up in the sky.